hello people well hello people my name is Lý Hui and today I stay my boss home and tonight my boss take me go to as Angkor yes Province Angkor and I go to shop the shopping shop again
shop canh mày
and shop my again các bạn shop make up ấy shop mấy chút điện từ cả shop and I shop make up already and I come back to my boss home and my boss by
xí cái thằng nào mình
năm em thằng mày
năm xí kì
sọt ấy kìa sọt
xí cái năm xí cái six
I'm sick today I'm sick
tôi yes today I'm sick and I'm sick my boss by I'm sick give me it ăn lại bay chân nàoจะสอนเจ็ดตายมันยังทำกูเอามันยังมาได้เปลี่ยนสอนนี่มันยังทำกูเอาแบบจังไง